Warranty Periods. In the system we have now added a new table called Park Deal Warranty Periods. In here, by your park or marina location, you can create a warranty period for both used and new units or vessels. The start and end date represent the time when this warranty period is available, and you can set the term of the warranty period for how long that unit or vessel will be under warranty. When you navigate to the deal stacker, you'll see under the general section at the top, warranty start date and warranty end date. These fields will remain blank until you enter your handover date. Depending on the park and whether your unit or vessel is used or new, the correct warranty period will be reflected here, utilising the handover date as the start of that period. These fields for warranty start and end date will also pull through to the maintenance job card, when the customer and their unit or vessel is applied to the job card.